Why does your scanner show the P240B engine code? What does it mean? P240B is a diagnostic trouble code for EVAP system, leak detection pump heater control circuit low. The P240B code means your vehicle's powertrain control module has detected a malfunction in the evaporative emission system leak detection pump heater control circuit. Specifically, the circuit is reading an abnormally low voltage. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: blown fuses or bad relays, corroded connectors, damaged wiring, failed leak detection pump, faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Range Rover, Volkswagen, BMW, Audi, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.